truffles. Yes, good girl. So, drop the tag.
Go deeper and give it a
Check it out.
Wow. This is a beauty. Look at that.
Oh, beautiful, yeah. So great size, great shape.
$400. You've been here about 10 years now with these trees.
Yes, we've got 500 trees 14 years old
Oh.
and 250 above that are 10.
Yep.
So this one's been producing for say 5 or 6 years.
And so by the time this has been here 20 years, these will all just be everywhere?
Yeah, the
hope.
idea is that they are intermixing
Yeah.
roots, and the truffle continues to build up
Yeah.
in numbers.
Yeah.
As
The more
as
the
the truffle
merrier.
gets older.
Does that change the flavour of the truffle based on what, under an oak or a hazelnut?
Oh, I don't think they've
Not
ever
really.
been able to test it. It's so finite, the difference in truffle and
Yeah.
the smell. For me, they all smell a little bit different. There's
Yeah.
thousands of them.
This is enough for truffle popcorn.
Nice. I think so.
We're going to make some truffle popcorn. It's the easiest thing ever. Butter going in to melt. We're not cooking the popcorn in the butter. We are just melting the butter to put on later. So when it's melted, tip it out. What we're going to do is add some oil, a good dash of oil, EVU, extra virgin olive oil, and 3 kernels of popcorn. Oh, maybe 4. And when they pop, we're going to tip the rest of the popcorn in, because that means the oil is hot enough. So just listen out. Okay, here we go. We're ready. Now you've got to keep shaking it. If you don't keep moving it, it'll burn. And what happens here is the moisture inside the popcorn kernel reaches a temperature at which point it has to explode. So if your popcorn's super dry, you can soak it overnight. If it's really old, you can soak it overnight, dry it out, and then do it, and you'll get a better pop. Smells good. And just keep going till it stops popping. Take it off the heat if you want to. I'm scared to open the lid. Still a few pops. I think we're done. Okay, into your bowl. Not bad, we got most of them. We'll leave the butter till last because the butter can actually make your popcorn soft and not crunchy. We're going to put a lot of parmesan and a lot of truffle and some salt. And then just fine grate your parmesan. Just go hard or go home. Put the butter in. Just mix that around. And now we're going to add the truffle. This is very, very luxe popcorn. Once you've had it, you won't be able to have it any other way. Go to the movies. Can I have truffle popcorn, please? We're just going to use the same grater. You could use a slicer, but you want it fine. You want it fine. So this was about half a cup of popcorn, and it's really up to you about how much you use, how much truffle, but you do want to be able to see it. And if you happen to have some growing out the back paddock, you might go large on the truffle. Look at that. Beautiful. A bit more cheese. Go for it. I'm even going to put a bit more butter in, a bit more salt as well. Isn't that awesome? This is Kat.
Hello.
Who's just
dive in.
been hunting with us today. Full flavour
What movie
so
are we
well.
watching?
I know. What did we watch? The Truffle Hunter.
Butter and truffle.
Salt and truffle, yeah.
Go for it. You probably do need a drink with it, don't you?
Popcorn for your next movie. What do you reckon? Movie night?
Yum.
Yeah.